you here. Hi, Plim Plim. I see you're imitating the sound a cow makes. How fun! How about we all try to imitate the animal sounds? Yeah! Okay, let's play. It's Bam's turn. Bam, how does the wolf sound? That's right! That's the sound a wolf makes. The wolf lives in family groups called packs. It's very intelligent and uses its famous howl to communicate with other wolves. It's Acuarella's turn. Acuarella, how does the sheep sound? That's right. That's the sound the sheep makes. The sheep is an animal that eats herbs and has its body covered in wool. Its wool is usually used to make cozy blankets and clothing. Now it's Nesho's turn. Let's see, Nesho. How does the cow sound? That's right! Yes! That's the sound the cow makes. The cow is a very, very large animal that eats herbs and produces milk for us to drink. It's Hoggie's turn. Hoggie, how does the duck sound?
Quack, 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 quack.
That's right! That's the sound the duck makes. The duck is a bird with a large beak. Since it has wings, it has the ability to fly, and with its wide-webbed feet, it can swim very fast. It's Mei-Li's turn. Mei-Li, how does the pig sound?
Oink, oink, oink.
Well done! That's the sound the pig makes. The pig is an animal that loves eating. It has a curly tail and a large snout with an amazing sense of smell. Pigs also love to wallow and cool off in the mud. Animals are amazing, and it's so much fun to imitate them, right? Until next time, friends. And if you want another Plim Plim video, tap on the next one.